The Texas Freedom Colonies Project Atlas has different base maps, layers of information, and ways to view data. This video will show you how to use these features, as well as how to create reports and download Atlas data. You can find the Texas Freedom Colonies Project Atlas on our website by clicking Atlas on the left-hand menu, or entering the texasfreedomcoloniesproject.com/atlas into your internet browser. When you reach the Atlas, choose the Atlas version 2.1 tab. Here you'll see our disclaimer. Please read it and agree to our terms and conditions to continue. This is the default view of the Atlas. On the top right of the green bar are different Atlas view functions. The first is a legend defining the different points and shapes on the Atlas. The second, that looks like a stack of paper, is the Layers button. It launches a menu of different layers of information that can be turned on or off. The third button, with 4 squares, is a base map gallery. This lets you select different maps to underlie the points, shapes, and layers of the Atlas. And finally, the Print button, which allows you to export the Atlas view you've selected as the file type of your choice. Let's start with a different base map. One you're used to seeing when using other mapping services is an aerial or satellite photo. On the Atlas, this is called Imagery. Imagery Hybrid View combines the aerial image with markings for roads, road names, and place names. The Imagery view lets you see a place in a different context. Is it wooded, open fields, surrounded by development? You can also see individual structures from above. You can close the base map menu and your selection will remain. Now let's apply different layers to the map. Some layers are turned on by default. To turn on a layer, check the box so that it is blue and has a check mark. To turn it off, click the box so that it's just a white box. Layers of particular interest may be the current and future TxDOT or Texas Department of Transportation project layers. Another layer of interest may be population by county data from the 2020 census, showing what percentage of county residents are African American. If you're looking for the definition of the information in a layer, click the tiny triangle next to the checkbox to expand the information about it. If you want to filter the Texas Freedom Colonies Project Atlas information, click on the Filter button under the location search bar. This allows you to filter points by county, by Freedom Colony name, and by status in the Atlas. Once you make your selection, click the radio button in the upper right corner of the filter menu. When it turns green, the filter is on. In this example, we have limited the points shown on the map to only those Freedom Colonies currently verified by the research team. What if you'd like to see all of the Freedom Colonies in your current view in a list? Click on the dark gray tab with a triangle on it in the bottom middle of the Atlas. This will launch the data table view. Interested in running a search to create a table of information that you can export? Click the Create a Report button under the location search bar. Let's say you'd like to create a report of all of the information for a particular county. Type the name of the county in the search bar within the Create a Report box. Once you select the county name, it will be highlighted on the Atlas. To create the report, click Report. The report will appear within the Create a Report pop-up box. To export the information to a downloadable file, click the download symbol of a downward pointing arrow in a bracket. A box will appear asking to confirm the format. There is only one option, CSV, which stands for comma separated value. A program like Excel or Google Sheets will be able to open a file of this type. Thank you for joining us for this video on how to use base maps, atlas layers, and how to filter and create reports in the Texas Freedom Colonies Project Atlas. Please click on our YouTube channel page for more how-to videos, including how to search for specific freedom colonies. We welcome your calls, texts, and emails with any questions. Thank you.